Fliki is an AI text-to-video platform that's built around speed and simplicity. Instead of wrestling with timelines or heavy editors, you just paste your script or even a blog link, and it generates a full video with voiceover, subtitles, and visuals in minutes. One of Fliki's biggest strengths is its voice library. Over 2,000 AI voices in more than 70 languages. They sound surprisingly natural, with options for tone and accent, and you can even clone your own voice on higher plans. The built-in stock library also pulls from sites like Pixabay and Jiffy, so you can get access to images, video clips, and background music without leaving the platform. Pricing is competitive. A free plan gives you 5 minutes a month with a watermark, while paid tiers start around $15 to $20 for 120 minutes of HD video, and scale up with more credits and features like voice cloning. That said, Fliki is not perfect. You don't get advanced editing, transitions, or fine control like you would in video or Premiere. The credit system can feel limiting, and a few users report robotic pronunciations, failed exports, or slow customer support. So, is it the best text-to-video tool? Well, if your goal is fast, good enough videos for YouTube, TikTok, or quick explainers, Fliki delivers better than most. But if you need professional polish or avatar-based videos, alternatives like InVideo or Synthesia may fit better.